Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, one of the new features of Windows 11 24H2 also, that is something kind of cool because you can customize the quick settings panel. So when you go to the right of your screen, let's say that you click on your internet access, Wi-Fi, or even the volume control, what it pops up is what we call the quick settings. Now, you can scroll through the quick settings here, as you see. And not just that, of course, because there are several of those, your quick settings might not be in the order you want. For example, I will never use flight mode. So what you could do is click, hold, and move it down the screen to where you will not see it because you don't need it. So whatever you have here, you can customize in that way, and it's pretty cool. So any of the settings that you have here, you can go to those settings, of course, but you can scroll and just put each of the options basically in the layer you want, so that they'll have quick access. So Bluetooth I use, the Wi-Fi here I use, the button. Nightlight is something I don't use, so you can, of course, just customize this. Accessibility might be something I want to go to, so you just move it where you want to see it directly. Where does display, project, mobile hotspot, I don't really use that. Nearby sharing, I might use that. So you just, drop it wherever you want, and there you go. You customize your quick settings to have at the top the settings you'll use the most, and of course the ones that are not visible because of the panel's size. Well, you could put them so that they're not in front of you every time you click a settings in the quick settings panel. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.